So guys, this is the part 2, and the part 2 and the 1 minute will be like come with the
This
first
thing
part.
is gonna
So
hot.
guys, but sadly Aki's lagging.
Bro, this I hate.
Let me shoot him. Sorry.
Try to kill me, dude. Try to kill me.
I'm trying to. Okay, and then that's it.
But look at
You're
my
still
screen.
here.
Look at my screen, dude. Look at my screen. Bro, stop. Look at my screen.
I know. I saw it, guys. He's lagging. Yeah, you're good.
I hate this.
Use code troll. Let me just equip that, dude.
Guys,
Chicken nugget. Chicken.
bro, that's wrong.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, what did you get?
I don't know. Chicken nugget.
I think I'm Sheriff, you're murder.
I don't know.
Find me.
Oh yeah, I think. Yeah.
Find me.
Tignan mo to kay yung ano ko. Papakain kita nitong chicken wings. Mwah! Ay, joke lang.
Bro, look.
Guys, should we end this video or something?
Yes, and eat. I think
I'm just gonna play Grow a Garden and we're gonna fix this out and yeah.
Yeah.
Tell daddy.
Sabihin ko, naglaro lang kami na yun na ganito. Diba?
Okay. Yeah.
Daddy! Para dito. Basta. Ano, naglaro lang kami na yun
Guys,
na ganito.
that's
Nag-stop.
Aki's daddy, so don't mind
Oh,
him.
lagot ka.
Bakit? Naglaro lang kami na yun na ganito.
Bro's lagging. For real.
Siyempre, mag-i-stop yan.
Yan, okay na.
Still garden grower. Okay, now Aki's computer is okay.
Bro, it's beauty. Still?
Yeah.
Bro, why Roblox picture game, dude? And this computer picture game. I mean,
Fix your game.
I mean your laptop.
Oy, friendship pot!
I don't care.
Friendship pot.
Guys, join
Manito.
right now.
Yeah, join one another. But when you watching this, it's gone now.
Yeah,
Absolutely. I'm sorry, guys.
Read.
1 minute. I already waited 40 seconds earlier.
Yan na.
Oh my gosh.
Yan na. Let's play 99 Nights in the Forest. Or trick shot bottle, no cooldown. I'm good with that. Turbo's fine.
Greetings. Seriously. Just for them. Please try kill my friend. So guys, X official, it's my friend of
Yan na.
mine,
Yan na.
guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Laro tayo.
Maya, no, please. So, guys, that burning body is so good.
Guys, someone is hacking. Bacon will be hacking. Alright,
Yeah.
bet. I'm gonna do my thing. Yan na. Pakita mo yung view sa akin.
I can't.
Why?
You can't, like, literally.
Kanina na ano mo. Pwede mo pakita yun.
Kill 5 of them. Please.
for trick shot. Bro, why Noob is hacking? Like,
I think maybe she's the power of Robux. Maybe. Power of Robux. Bro doesn't eat. Bro only have bone blossom.
bro, I think bro's recorded. Like, what?
No, it's
Like, what?
Bro Sigma's to
None
garden
of
is
what?
so fire. Uy, slide out to King.
Huh?
Slide. Yay! I have shown
Well, why?
80.
I died. Okay. Sword. I will give you like my name. Finally, creature. Oh my god, shit.
Tabole.
Single bird all the way. Sino ang pogi dito? Mag-chat na ko. Hey! Guys, my username is Corrupt Nature. That's C-O-R-R. I mean R-U-P. Basta? Blah blah blah. Blah 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 naman. Napo.
Trade Z. Since you don't want to buy it, although I don't have any thing. Tranquil radar.
Lalalaba. Chicken. Still love a chicken. Oh, mamacita Please, chicken. Snack. Oh, super spicy. Salamata. Nice. 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 Guys, who plays Cat Rush? Cat Rush.
Touch some grass, dude.
But I'm already touching grass.
I'm already touching grass too. In game.
Sometimes I cannot touch grass.
My need is 50 age. Guys, add me and Aki. Aki's username is AkiIsPro/4 and my user is this. Yeah. In short, you can like /488 and the nickname is AshTheCool4 and Aki's nickname using is Corrupt Nature. Yeah. You already know that. Corrupt Nature. Corrupt Nature.
Sometimes we can pull off the cool kid because he is a little.
Guys, this lot is yeah, it's expensive and this lot one is yeah, it's fine. Yeah, as you can see, rate my garden, guys. Rate my garden. It's so bad. I know it's bad. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It's so bad.
What
Anyway.
the?
Guys, I know it's bad. I'm sorry.
Stop that.
What did you say? I'm just gonna collect these
Guys,
watermelons. Yeah.
guys, all the people love Grow Garden.
Yeah, I don't even know why. Like literally they are.
Like they are saying, grow a garden, grow a garden. I will smack them.
Grow a garden, grow a garden. Usong laro ito, usong laro ito. Tayo na mag-ani, tayo na mag-ani, tayo na mag-ani ng may ay mali pala yung lyrics. Saging, mangga, papaya. Paghalo-haluin. Fruit salad. Yeah, guys. Let's see what is this all worth. Yeah. 1 billion. Guys, should I sell all my fruit? Comment in the section below if you want. And the most comment, yes or no, will be my choice. Yeah.
Yeah, I will.
Guys, this all of my favorite things is literally a lot of money. Yeah. 7 to 30, yeah. Oh. So this is my all pets. I mean fruits. 7 to 30, yeah. Oh. My summer love. Cherry pretty eyes and it's at the flow. Yeah, this is all all given by Fritz. Yeah, it's not mine. But most of them were mine. And Aki's giving a bit. Yeah. Only Aki give me like 10%, like literally, and Fritz literally like 100%. He made me so rich. Yeah. How me and Aki were bro rage quit. Guys, how we became like so rich. Tell him, Aki.
Because all of you. And
Yeah.
others people.
Yeah.
Us.
And the first one who literally made my life was this guy. Wait, where's him? Where's him? Comment down below. Yeah, he's the goat. Yeah, guys.
And
This guy is the goat. Yeah, he gave me it. He gave me 5 million cactus. And I don't even know him. And we just strangers back then. And my life started when he gave me that.
yeah.
Yeah, and because of that 5 million, all of my life changed. Like literally, I was still a bacon back then, but right now, you can say 50 pounds per person. I don't even like people in my classroom yapping about tralala and
Like what
the nothing can beat Jetsu holidays. But now you can say 50 pounds per person. Like, is it?
like all my classes say skibidi.
Toilet.
Like
Skibidi Sigma. Like
what the
are they saying, right? That's early. So, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. All of it. Yeah, guys. Bye. Oh, also, guys, we don't have school because of the suspension and because of Baguio.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't know Baguio, it's typhoon, and we got flooded in our school, so that's why.
So like that.
So, this is gonna be the end of it, and bye, subscribe. we like you guys. I mean, no. I mean, yeah. So guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Yeah, bye. Bye.